Hi, this is Mani. I am living in Australia, Sydney. I am working as a business process application consultant for production and trade and logistics. After I spent so many years, I would like to understand or step into the finance in very insightful way. So I approach accounting minds. Based on Mr. Surya guidance, I got a very good instructor, and he explaining me accounting in very much useful in my operation day-to-day things. So the really I'm admire is I was have the perception you supposed to learn in accounting in some sort of traditional way. You cannot change some rules and you cannot change some policies. You have to be understand in that way. But that instructor teach me a very modern and innovative way which you can understand accounting concepts, every accounting principles in day-to-day operations with you can able to correlate with your current scenarios in the business. I'm really admire for that. Anytime I can recall the accounting rules and accounting principle, I have no doubt on whether it is asset or liability or income or expense, because I learned with a very practical and very modern way, very innovative way. I'm really appreciate for that. The second interesting or important point is the instructor is not just taking sessions. He first take the input from you. He trying to get all the input from you, and after some time he explaining the process based on the input given by you, and then he show the results, explaining the results, and all the results you can see the input is given by you, and you have very clear opportunity to see how your input is traveling from journals to ledger and ledger to postings and posting to the financial statement. So it is a very clear explanation. You can able to understand how your inputs are migrating from one process to another business process. This is very unique way to learn. The third important thing is very much interesting thing. Usually accounting sessions are just explaining the theory, right? But here it will be very engaging. He used to explaining some world news about accounting and finance. Sometimes he would talk about the famous accounting scams are happening, why, and what is the insight point of that, and what is the reason it is happening, and what is the world famous auditing firm is doing, and what is the how the tax structure is happening from one country to other country, and what is the benefits of these accounting and tax structures and excise structures. And it's like he teach the accounting with the social connection and environmental and economical connections, which you feel you are learning accounting is not just as a subject, as a social aspect. So I'm really appreciate accounting mind is doing well in to explaining the accounting in a modern way. I'm really thankful to Surya and my instructor and everyone in the accounting mind for this very good contribution of this accounting community. Thank you.